Welcome back. This is the update on my Nissan Titan catch cans. So far I haven't had any issues. I've only gone a few hundred miles since I installed them. I don't drive the truck very often. It's been a little over a month, so no issues with the setup over here. No issues over here. I did have a little bit of rubbing with my engine cover, so I just put some wrap on those just to prevent the rubbing. And here is one of the catch cans. So if you only had one, you'd have twice as much. You can see it looks pretty much just like oil, but this stuff doesn't burn, so I mean, putting it into your combustion chamber isn't going to help you. It's just going to make carbon deposits in there. So not much. I could probably go, for the amount I drive the truck, I could probably go every 6 months. That's how often I do my oil changes, so I'll just drain it out every 6 months. One thing I noticed is this handle has come loose, so I'm going to put some Loctite on that and tighten it back up and do the same on the other one. So thanks for checking in. Catch you later.